Dear students, today I am going to continue that lesson which one I have stopped day before yesterday. That the three questions. The king were going to ask the three questions. What time is the good for him to decide? Now let us continue. But in their answer to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors. Some of the ministers told that ministers are important for the king. So he is not satisfied that with the answer. So after that, others said, some of people said that the thinker, philosopher, philosophers are very important. No, that is also not a proper answer. A few others choose the doctor. Some of these told that doctors are very important for the people, king, even king. So, and yet others said that his soldiers were most necessary for that. Soldiers were very important now, who protect the country on the border. So, the king replied that the questions with that question. To the third question, some said that science, others choose fighting. So scientists are very important and fighters, and at others religious worship. Religious worship means, for example, those are going to achieve in the religious sector. Kanakadasa, Basveshwara, like that. Their people, those peoples are very important for the society. The councillors had replied for that questions. As the answers to his questions were so different, all persons are not equal, so many kinds of the questions, answers, they were going to reply for the king questions. So questions were very different, but that intention is that main thing is that the king should be happy for the answer. What time is good for do something? If you are going to start some work, what time we have to choose? In the morning, afternoon, night. What is the best time for that? The first question is that. Second, what should we listen? What should we listen? Good thing or bad thing or lie or truth? It is the question of king. King was not satisfied and gave no reward. He told, if you give the satisfied answer, instead of that, I will give you award. Award means that time the kings were providing to the people's gold and emerald, diamond, like that. So nowadays we are getting only award means you can get that textbook and medals, so many things. It is different than olden days. Okay, we the people and said that no renewed, instead of decided to seek advice to add a certain hermit. Now the king has decided to no, that is not a good answer. Your answer absolutely wrong. So he decided to go to hermit. Hermit means who is digging the earth. You know that digging hermit means he taking that saw to go work on the land, earth. So he go to why he decided to, I don't know that. You will know that in this chapter, you will know why did he go to hermit. So, who was widely known for his wisdom. The hermit was very brilliant in his kingdom. So he decided, it question left to decide that hermit has to the answer for my question. What time is the good for? The hermit lived in a wood which he never left. Poor people will live in the hut or mud home, like that. Simple, very simple living things. They are very poor family now. So he is working outside. He saw no one but simple people. But he is very, very, very wise man. Wise man means he is not going to underestimate others. Even poor people, rich people, in middle class, even high class, even richest, talent, he is clever and he is very foolish, like that. He is not going to discrimination with others. So that's why that king has decided to go to hermit to get the answer for his question. And so the king put on ordinary clothes. The king was very nice person. King means he wear very grand, he is decorated very grandly. He wearing quality clothes. But that time, the during of his meeting time, he wear simple clothes when he going to meet with the hermit. So he wear ordinary clothes. Ordinary clothes, which one we used to wear now, that type kinds of clothes he used to wear. Before the reached the hermit's birth, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went and alone. Already you know that king in the olden days, king was going on, walking on, means he is traveling on horse. But during of that meeting, when he was going to the meet with that hermit home, he left that horse. I no need horse. So he told that soldiers and bodyguard, you can go now. I will go alone as a simple man. Because why I am going to as a simple man? Because I am getting confusion. I want truth of life. I want 3 questions answer immediately. So I want to search. I want to discover. I want to know from others. Whoever may be, not even king is very intelligent. Even people, even citizens, even ordinary people can be very clever in the society. So, as the king came near the hermit's harbor, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. When he was going to the meet him, the hermit was doing work, means digging. Digging means that is the duty of daily. He was doing that. He greeted the king and continued the digging. Come, sir. King, welcome king, welcome to the hut, the poor family. So I got surprised. May I know why you are coming? The king is coming here means it is not a simple matter. Okay, the hermit was old and weak. You know, the poor people are looking very weak because they were hard worker in the field. They do hard work. So they are looking very weak. And as he worked breathing heavily, he looked at king like this. Okay, king, tell me, what is the problem? Why you have came to my poor home? Okay, the king went up to the hermit and said, I have came to you, wise hermit. Okay, the last finally he said that, see hermit, I have some problems. I came to know that, please can you tell the answer for my 3 questions? I am getting confusion to ask you to answer 3 questions. Okay, in this next classes, I will tell you, continue chapter discussion.